self-disdain grows more obvious.
AI helped to make this song a success, and this too. The idea of technology in music is not a novel one. We all know how popular EDM are, but the inclusion of AI diversified the role of technology even more. The Orchard became the first digital distributor of music and is now owned by Sony Music. Let's list out a few applications of AI in transforming the music industry.
Number 1. Generating music. With creators having to do more nowadays, AI has come in with revolutionary tools that allow users to create their own style of music. Artists are being inspired by AI generators and are using them at increasing rates in the industry. For example, a known online musician and AI music composer, Taryn Southern, said that her source of inspiration comes from her AI-driven lyrics and vocal melodies, and uses that in her actual music. The song Break Free that she had created using AI-composed parts were later modified in the music making with the help of instrument switches and keynote changes. There are a number of popular services for making music that uses AI. These include IBM Watson Beat, Jukadec, Melodrive, and N-Synth Super from Google's Magenta project. In addition, there are programs for both amateurs and professionals that help them create their compositions with ease.
Number 2. Streaming music. Do you know AI is the secret of Spotify's success and popularity? Due to the high quality, popularity, and personalization of Spotify's AI technologies, the company now has more than 280 million users. They have taken over 40% of the music market worldwide. Wowzers! It's also cool that 1 million people are analyzed later to look for other people who have similar interests. You don't even need to buy tapes, records, or CD because you can streamline your favorite tracks anytime. There are various other players in the market who are using AI to improve their services. For example, Apple's Genius Playlist is a feature that recommends songs for you based on what you selected so far.
Number 3. Music mastering and monetizing. Many companies use AI technology to process data and track music usage across various platforms. To start with, BMA, which is a music company in Barcelona, gets its root from audio fingerprinting technology to identify the uniformity in various sounds and machine learning algorithms to track the music-making compositions. For the newbies or fresher musicians, music machine learning will be a great choice, and using AI, they can operate on a free base. There are other music tools that give real-time reviews on the progress while learning how to play an instrument. This is the main concern of AI in music industry, to flatten music into functional and instrumental sounds. Another company that masters AI engine is Lander. This helps in extracting data from the tracks and integrates it with the other engineers' thoughts. It provides popular distribution services across various platforms, allowing artists to have full sales and rights.
4. Discovery of hit songs for record labels. Do you ever wonder that how do listeners explore the new artists or decide who to listen to? Significantly, AI-created music helps them to discover this. For example, Museo, the music tech company in Singapore, uses artificial intelligence to analyze the top-listed songs for record labels and distribution services. It was founded by Hazel Savage, who has 12 years of experience in the tech music industry and is more focused on B2B space.
5. Marketing music and identifying the upcoming stars. They use demographic information obtained from listeners to check whether a particular music composition appealing to listeners or not. In the year 2018, the audio on demand streamed around 534.6 billion in the US alone, as per Buzz Angle Music's year-end report. It is hard and quite expensive to help new artists gain popularity amongst the music community and get discovered. With the help of AI technology, the fans can determine which music to listen to as per their taste. AI is behind the scenes leveraging the music we listen to in various ways. I hope this video gives real insights into how AI in the music industry has completely revolutionized the music ecosystem. AI is said to take up 70% of the music functionality by 2030.